We have to go. We saw Maluma, Bad Bunny. What is up, guys? Greetings from Dominican Republic, Punta Cana. We just arrived today. We got here around 2 o'clock and we freshened up and then had some lunch and unpacked, and now we're headed off to the pool. But I wanted to show you guys the beautiful room that we're staying in. We're staying at, what's the resort called, babe?
Bavaro Princess.
Bavaro Princess. And their style of buildings is beautiful. It looks like little villas and just very like modern. I wonder how new this resort is because the rooms are super modern. So I'm going to show you guys a quick room tour before we get headed to the pool. We're here for just vacation with Eric's family. We're really excited because this is our first vacation in the summer, right, babe? We haven't gone on vacation this summer yet, so this is our first vacation. Let me show you guys what we're working with for the next few days. So this is the door to come in, and as soon as you walk in, to the right you have the closet space. We already unpacked. I hung up all of my hats and purses, and then we have here the dressers that have our clothes in it, and have my bags there. And then it has these two little steps to go up to like the room area. So this is the bed. We have a TV, and I love how the room has like an overlook to this sitting area. I'll show you guys that in a bit, but this is the like main room space. I love the colors of the floors. This is what the room overlooks, is this whole living area right here. So right here is like a breakfast nook. I did my makeup here just now, and it's so cute. I love this chair. And then yeah, it has this couch, a coffee table, another accent chair. Then you have a full body mirror right here. Oh, Eric's doesn't have a shirt on. And then here they have the coffee maker, and I already unpacked all my vitamins and all of my liquid IVs there. I put my sunglasses holder here just because I felt like I would be using the floor mirror a lot. So it's like in close proximity to see what glasses look best with outfits. And then here's the bathroom. This tub is gorgeous. I love this wall. It's so nice. We have the shower over here, and then this double vanity, and the lights turn on like that. Really nice. I already unpacked all of my stuff too. My hair tools, my skincare, body care, all that good stuff. And I put all my shower stuff in the shower. Now let's go check out the balcony. I actually have not gone out here yet to see. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. Everything is white. I love it. Everything is white and neutral. You have the white buildings, neutral, and then beautiful palm trees. So this resort is actually so big that you have to, well, you don't have to, but it's recommended to take the little golf carts. I don't know if you can see them over there. There are those golf carts right there, because, for example, to get from here to the beach is quite a walk, but the golf carts come every 2 minutes. So it's not like too much of a hassle, but I'm excited. This is our beautiful view for the next few days. So here's what I'm wearing to Eric. I love you, babe. I got you. This is what I'm wearing to the pool. So I have my bathing suit under, and then I have this mesh cover up from Fashion Nova. I love it. I feel like it's very different from a lot of the cover ups that are out in the market right now. So when I saw it, I had to pick it up. And then I have this bag from Miss Lola. It's a beautiful woven beach bag. And then this hat, shockingly, is from Forever 21. I picked it up on a whim when I was leaving the mall because I saw it and it was gorgeous, so I picked it up. I usually don't shop at Forever 21, but when I saw it, I had to get it. And then just my Birks to be comfortable. So this is what I'm wearing to go to the pool. So I just realized that my lipstick and my nails are giving fall. We are headed to dinner right now. We are going to a steakhouse. Later tonight we're gonna go out, but We just put on like really casual clothes just to have dinner, and then we're gonna come back and change. What'd you think about our time at the pool, honey?
It was nice. I wish the water was a little colder because it's burning hot out here.
It was, yeah, the pool water was so warm and it was really hot out here. It was so humid. Eric literally threw himself in the tub and just had the cold water running, but it's amazing. I can't wait to have like a full day tomorrow. Like I want to be like sun-kissed. I want to be kissed by the sun.
Hopefully that little checking thing doesn't take too much time.
Yeah. Tomorrow we're planning on having like a lazy day and just like hanging at the pool, the beach. The beach looks beautiful. I'll show you guys tomorrow, but I'm excited for dinner. I love steak, so anything steak, I'm in there. Yeah, I feel like you're walking, but this looks so nice. Yeah. Coming. Look to your other side. Yes. You like it? You like the angle? Half up, half down with curls, and then curls on the front. I'm gonna straighten them out or like comb them through in a bit. But I have this top on from Zara, and I'm gonna use this Hollywood Fashion Secrets fashion tape to tape the sides to make sure that they don't move on me, because you just never know. And then this. Oh yeah, that feels better. It feels like it's not going anywhere. This is what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing this halter from Zara and this skirt from, I think it's Nasty Gal. And I think shoes are also, no, my shoes are from Pretty Little Thing. They're like these blocked heels. Can I guess where your stuff is from?
Sure.
Your top is H&M.
Is it? Yeah, it is.
I don't know about your
This oil stain is from this restaurant we were just at. But the pants are from Target.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, they're tech pants.
And then your shoes are from Kith and Converse. Come here, guys, I love you. We're off, guys. Let's go. Good morning. We are alive and well, thank God. So last night we went to Coco Wongo, which is like we thought it was like a night lounge club thing, but it was, well, it was kind of like more of like a night show. Like they had performances. We saw Maluma, Bad Bunny, Cardi B, Madonna, Michael Jackson. There was like so many artists that they were impersonating. And then they did like a show, like kind of like a performance. So it was really cool to see. We had a great time. We got back to the resort like around 2 in the morning, and then we had some bomb wings at the sports bar, and then we came to bed at 3. And I don't know how I woke up today so energized. So I just finished getting ready. I did my pool makeup and I put my bathing suit on. This is from Nasty Gal, and then I also got these white like pleather pants from Nasty Gal. I'm gonna go ahead to meet Eric because Eric went up front to the lobby earlier today because he had to schedule like a few things for us and have some coffee, some food. I need to eat. Starting off the day with some mimosas. What are we cheersing to?
To happy birthday to Eric, to good life, and the start of our vacation.
Yay. Here we go. Are we really chugging? So our beach pool day was cut short by the rain. So we are just chilling.
What are we doing? We're gonna prank Darwin because he's sleeping. We're gonna say that there's a hurricane and we need to evacuate. See how it goes.
Darwin,
Darwin!
Babe,
we have to go. We
There's
have
a
to go.
hurricane.
Yeah, we gotta
There's a
go.
hurricane.
We gotta go.
That is right.
He's so unbothered. Good morning. It is, what time is it? I just got out the shower. It's 8:35 and today was hair wash day because yesterday I got my hair wet at the beach and I woke up at 7:30. I woke up so early and I think it's because yesterday we went to bed really early. We were in bed by like 10:30 because we had a long day. I feel like I didn't really vlog much yesterday, but basically we were just at the beach. I'm putting on my bum cream. We were at the beach all day, the pool all day. We didn't even have lunch. We just took like snack breaks to have like what they had at the snack bar. And then we came back, freshened up, and went to dinner. We had Mexican last night, and it's been by far the best food we've had here. We haven't had the best experience with food here. Eric and I are not picky eaters at all. Like I would literally eat anything. Like I'm not a picky eater, but something about the food here has just been really off. So yesterday we were actually supposed to go on a boat trip, but it got canceled due to the rain. It was supposed to be super rainy, but it didn't end up raining all day until the nighttime. So, but I wonder if maybe where we were going, it was raining because we were going to like an island. So our boat trip yesterday got canceled, but it's all right. We still made the most of it, and today is actually our last full day, and then we leave tomorrow. I woke up a bit early because I gotta get some work done for work, so I think I'm gonna go to the cafe. Yesterday night it started pouring rain, and we were in the lobby and they were playing like bachata, merengue, salsa, and Eric and I were like, let's go dance in the rain. So we were dancing in the rain to bachata. We love dancing bachata. It's like our favorite type of music to dance to. So it was really memorable. It was really sweet. So I bought this Briogeo Wave texture spray, and I think I want to try it out today. Even though I don't have curls or anything, like my hair doesn't have a curl pattern, but I want to see if it's good for like beachy waves, like you know those waves that you get after being in the pool. I mean, after being in the salt water. I kind of want to see if it gives me that vibe. Oh wait, it kind of does. You see that? That's so cool. That's so nice. Look at the difference in my hair. Wow. Okay, wow, that spray really changed my hair texture. I love it. I don't think I'm gonna do makeup today because I've been doing makeup literally the whole trip, like even through the pool and stuff. So I think I'm gonna let my skin breathe a little bit. And I've fallen asleep with my makeup on twice. So my skin's a little upset at me, so I'm gonna give her a break. It literally worked almost instantly. That's crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna finish getting ready and then I'm gonna head to the cafe to do some work. And then we'll see where this day takes us. This is our beach day setup. I got a Mai Tai, a coconut drink, and Eric just got some good food. Can I have a plátano? Thank you.
These are actually good.
So we just finished our last full beach day. We leave tomorrow morning, so tomorrow morning we're just gonna have breakfast and we're gone. I can't tell right now if I got a tan. I feel like you don't tell until like you shower or something.
Shoulders are burnt.
Really?
Yeah.
They're red?
No, you definitely got 10.
Yay! Yeah, we've literally laid out for how many hours were we out there, babe?
5 hours?
Like 5 hours, yeah. I feel so good though to enjoy the beach. It was very relaxing. We got in today. There wasn't that much seaweed today, so
That's nice.
it was so nice. Cheers to our last drink. Cheers! Yes. Ooh, that's so good.